Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use a Wise QR code, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, how you're going to use your QR code is, first let's access it. So for that, open up your Wise app and sign in. Then you have to go to the section of receive. So now, as I have not set up my account yet, I have not done any transaction for me to have that option, you will find a receive option where you can go ahead, tap on it. Once you have gone to the receive section, you will access a unique QR code of your account, and then have the sender scan it and scan it with their phone camera to send you money directly to your Wise account, because once they have scanned it, they will find your account information and then directly they can add the money and send it to you. Right, so that is basically how your QR code works for you to use them. You can show your QR code to your sender while you're together, or you can also share it. You can just have to either simply download the QR code from the device itself, and then you can share the image to your sender via any other social media platforms or SM or messages. And that is basically it. That's how they can use you can use the QR code, and they can also use your QR code to send you money. So hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.